Good to see you, man. All right, you too. Always a pleasure.
This is my camera guy,
You want to do what now?
I just wanted to interview you about diet.
How long is it going to take? Because I got to get ready to go back on air.
I've lost 67 pounds. It's my dream. This is the first time I got my press credentials to come out here. Only to talk to you. So, the reason it was so important for us to talk with him and get this interview is because of what you're doing with the fight on diabetes. And I wanted to know what fuels your passion every day to manage this disease and just to live healthy.
Well, I think seeing family members overtaken by diabetes. My father died from it, and grandfather, and I'm a diabetic. So it makes you more aware of things you need to do to manage your health. And a lot of times people are afraid of what they don't understand. And so my whole message is to encourage people to act now, don't wait till something bad happens, because diabetes is a very serious disease if it goes unchecked.
That's right. And you know, one thing you mentioned that was very important is that you changed your lifestyle, which I can't imagine watching you play phenomenally for years. What did you change?
Well, diabetes is very hard to detect when you're in great shape. So as a player, we didn't know if we were affected by that, because with diabetes, you're constantly burning the sugar off, burning those calories off, but now life slows down. You stop training, you find out you have some of the same problems a lot of Americans have.
I really appreciate this time. I know you're about to go on air. You got to get thoughts about you. State Capitol this year. Senate Resolution 490 from Lieutenant Governor Casey Cagle and Senator Hunter Hill for the work that I'm doing in North Atlanta.
Yeah, I received that award before, so that's a major award.
I know, and I would love to garner your support and your people's support for the next year.
Just call me the home office. We exchange this next, okay? And you call it the regular number, you can get it.
Or John.
Huh? Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Thank you so much.